They're way up high today, they're loving that. I'm right up at the loft for the shadows so I can keep an eye on them. It doesn't miss in. Look at that. Brilliant. Brilliant. I've eventually got them flying like pigeons, folks. It's taken me a while. It's a lot harder not having all the sections for separate for your young to get them all fed at different times and get your good old flyers out and the young ones, but I've been just letting them all date themselves. And it's a mixture of young and a mixture of old up there, all sticking together, and I'm delighted. They are loving that. Loving that. I hope the sky stays clear today. I hope we get no hawk trouble, no nothing. And I hope they can get up there for a good hour because they are loving that. There's no wind today, it's hardly a cloud. They're not going to disappear into clouds. Freddie's back down. I can't believe she went up. I can't believe she went up. That'll not be our last time. There's my other two white ones. Don't know if he's got them there. They're there. And I need to remember that zoom. Bring it down. Oh, got sat up there, folks. Nah, I think it's nothing. Oh, they're flying right up. Two white ones. They two, as I said, never ever fly with my cat, they two. Bring it down. They two do their own thing. That's the two that go over the field and come back rotten. They need a pair of waders, they two. I'll try and get back on this lot. Brilliant flying for them. Oh, it makes me feel good. It makes me feel proud. It makes me feel proud. I'll even take them away in to clean now, folks. Jenny's in her eggs. That whiting's in a egg, that's a feather to it. Don't know how many eagles know into today. Neither don't. Just got they taking over my head. And Negan's aye, loving it as I said. I just thought I seen something there. Bring the zoom back down. It's too high, you're not going to see it. But there is something dark up there flying, but it's no bothering my birds. Near it isn't, I don't even know if you can see it. It's no bothering my birds. My birds are away over that way now. But loving it, loving it. Way to clean my bird shite, folks. Have a good day.